Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You cannot be guided to evade PTA rules, but you can start using your phone lawfully without a local PTA-registered SIM. First, check your MA and purchase invoice to see if the device qualifies for registration or exemption. Next, plug into trusted Wi-Fi networks and enable VoIP and messaging apps to stay connected. Once done, evaluate temporary international roaming or a carrier hotspot plan for mobile data. Make sure to compare costs and security before switching to paid mobile access. Once you have Wi-Fi access, secure your connection and phone to reduce risk and maintain functionality. Install the latest OS updates and set a strong passcode, then enable app permissions only as needed. Use end-to-end encrypted apps for messaging and calls so your communications stay private even without a local SIM. Also, connect through a reputable VPN on public networks to protect data. If you must access banking or government services, make sure to switch to a trusted network or postpone until you have a registered connection. To complete the transition, prioritize registering your device when you can, because registration restores full mobile services and reduces legal risk. If services or apps misbehave, restart the phone, reinstall the app, clear app cache, and test on another Wi-Fi network. These steps solve most issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier or an authorized retailer for guidance on registration, exemptions, or legitimate temporary solutions. Remember, following legal channels protects you and preserves full mobile functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.